short trial.
Eight for him.
What's this?
Sobrang healthy.
Is for intelligence.
Wonder Woman.
Genius.
Genius. B for victory.
Finish line.
Three for excellent.
B for excellent.
One, two, three, four.
Money, money, money. It's not about fun. We only try to one thing. It's all about rising. We only try for one thing. It's all about
According to the book of Joshua, chapter 1, verse 8, do not let this book of the law depart from your mouth. Meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written in it. Then you will be prosperous and successful, as in it is. Said in the book of 1 Timothy, be delight in these matters. Give yourself fully to them, so that everyone may see your progress. Persevere in them, because if you do, you will save both yourself, your years. Shalom.
Shalom.